Now we come to another important concept of the EPS bearer. We know that the 4G is an all IP system. That means that all the services that are provided by a 4G network to its users, whether it is the data services, whether it is the voice services, or whether it is the multimedia services, all these services are provided over the IP packets. And the 4G networks provide this IP or this data connectivity to its users using the EPS bearers. You can think of an EPS bearer as a tunnel that extends from the user equipment through the E node B, through the serving gateway up till the PDN gateway. For example, if this user equipment is browsing some website on the internet on the PDN, then it would require an EPS bearer for that. Similarly, at the same time, if this user equipment is in a voice call with the 4G network, it would require another EPS bearer for that. So the EPS bearer is an IP tunnel, and this tunnel is characterized by its quality of service requirements. For example, when we talk about the browsing the internet, the bearer that is used for browsing the internet, its quality of service requirements would be different from a bearer that is used to make a voice call. And what are the important parameters that define the quality of service? These parameters are data rate, whether data rate is guaranteed or non-guaranteed. For example, in order to make a voice call, we would need a guaranteed bit rate for the bearer that is used for this purpose. And the second important parameter is the latency. In simple words, you can think of latency as the delay. So when we are making a voice call, then we don't want our packets to delay beyond a certain threshold. That means that there is a restriction on the bearer that is used for the voice call, that the delay of the packets should not or must not exceed a certain threshold. And the third important parameter is the priority. When we compare a voice bearer with a bearer that is used to browse the internet, obviously the voice bearer would have more priority as compared to bearer which is simply used to browse the internet.